first thing you'll do, you'll remove the plastic cover. Nothing much to it, just lift it up. Then with the Torx T25 screwdriver, take those 2 screws so you can lift the cover. Once you lift the cover, you'll see the plastic bracket that's holding air filter, so pull it towards yourself and then pull it up. As you can see, the air filter is not too bad, but the customer wanted a new one, so that's what we did. Make sure when you install the new air filter that you install it the right way. Then just place the filter back with the bracket the way you pulled it up. It's a little bit on the angle, but once you see it properly, you'll hear the clicking sound. It'll click, that means it's properly installed.